If you want to remove background from images on the Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all, we're gonna open the gallery. Over here in the gallery, we're gonna open the photo from which we want to remove the background. Over here, I have this diecast, and if I want to keep it, but if I want to remove the background, then in that case, I can use the pen at the bottom of the screen. Over here, we're gonna use these 4 circles on the right side, and then we can choose the lasso option. Now in here we need to select the subject that we want to keep. So I'm gonna draw this line around my die cast. There we go. It should be highlighted. And I can now go to next. And there we go. My car toy over here is now highlighted. I mean, it got the background removed. I can add the highlight over here, this overline, I guess. And also we can tap on done in order to save our image, our object without the background. That is pretty much, almost pretty much it. We just now have to save it by using the save button in the upper right corner, or you can tap on these 3 dots and use save copy in order to keep the original photo. And this one is going to be saved separately. So that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.